Hello, hello, hello. Today I'm back in trailmakers and I'm going to show you how to make this epic creation.
What? Child. Anyway, so
that is right in front of you. So the part that makes it epic is the UFO engine, and I'm going to teach you how to make that, not the actual epic creation itself, because yeah, I don't know. Let's get into it. So first you need to enter the builder, and as you can see right here, let me just get rid of all this. To make this, right, you have to place an upside down hover block, just like in the last video where I made a wall climber. Check that out, please. Yeah, again, you need to place it upside down. Place 2 steering hinges at the back, just like so, red facing down, and then just change it so red is R2, or if you're on like PC, like W, or whatever your preferred control is. Change the speed to 2, the angle to make like from 10 to 15, depending on how it works for you, and the steering help to 0. And then just at the back, just connect it with either a frame,
Hey yo, what the
grid block, or a 1x2 connector. I'm just going to use the frame block so I can add things on the back of it, and I'm going to use the cockpit for this one. Not my favourite, although it is more aerodynamic than the go-kart seat. Now, all you need to do, the most important part, is add the actual pieces that make the engine move. So to do that, you need the rounded corner inverted 1x2. You need to place it so it's facing like this, and just copy that, flip it a few times so it's like really thin in the middle, which is the part that makes it go. I'm just going to add some wheels really quickly, and voila, there's your little car thing, whatever you call it. Top speed test, just like this, is around 130 mile an hour. So I don't know what that is in kilometers, figured myself out. It's not. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.